In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add push notifications in FlutterFlow. To get started, the first thing you need to do is head over to your Firebase console and make sure cloud messaging is enabled for your project. This is an important foundation step because push notifications in FlutterFlow rely on Firebase cloud messaging to actually deliver messages to your app. Also, keep in mind that your Firebase project needs to be on the Blaze or pay-as-you-go plan. That's required if you want to use the cloud functions and backend services that support push notifications properly. So it's worth confirming this before you go any further. Once that's in place, stay in Firebase and locate your project ID. You'll need this value when connecting Firebase to FlutterFlow. After you copy the project ID, go into FlutterFlow and enter it under the Firebase settings section. This helps FlutterFlow correctly identify and communicate with the right Firebase project, so make sure you paste the exact project ID and not a different value from your Firebase setup. Next, inside your FlutterFlow project, open the settings menu by clicking the gear icon in the left side panel. This is where most of your app-wide configuration options live, including integrations like Firebase and notifications. If you're new to FlutterFlow, this area is especially useful because it centralizes the technical setup needed before features can work inside your app. From there, navigate to Settings and Integrations, then open the Push Notifications section. This is the dedicated area where FlutterFlow lets you configure notification support without having to manually wire everything up from scratch. It simplifies a process that would otherwise involve quite a bit of Firebase setup. Now, turn the Enable Push Notifications toggle to on. This tells FlutterFlow that you want your project to support notification delivery. Enabling the toggle doesn't just change a visual setting, it prepares the project for the back-end resources and handlers that notifications depend on. After that, click the Deploy button. This is the final and very important step because deploying instructs FlutterFlow to automatically create and deploy the necessary Firebase cloud functions and notification handlers for your app. In other words, this is what actually puts the required notification infrastructure in place behind the scenes. Once deployment finishes, your FlutterFlow project will be set up to support push notifications. If something doesn't seem to work right away, give the deployment a moment to complete fully and double check that your Firebase configuration and project ID are correct. And that's how to add push notifications in FlutterFlow.